What's up, nerds? So for today, I am going to be building this science room desk and chairs 1/12 scale by Hasegawa. 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 I think that's how you say it. I love 1/12 scale dioramas. Those are the dioramas I build and everything. But I love this like science desk, and it comes with four chairs and everything, kind of like you did in science class in like high school or whatever. But I'm gonna build this today, you guys, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in like a diorama, one that I didn't build, but we're just gonna show it to you. All right, let's check this sucker out. Here we go. All right, you guys. So tell me, what do you guys think about this lab desk with the little stools? I think it's super cute, but it's really cool for a diorama. And if you're into 1/12 scale like I am, it's really great for you. But I really do enjoy this. I can't wait to buy more stuff like this in terms of this diorama furniture and stuff. And I think it's pretty cool. I have a whole lab thing set up. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll post pictures on that. But tell me what you guys think about this. Go ahead and do you own this? Do you like it? How do you feel? Building it was a little tiny bit difficult. I did have to super glue some parts because it just kept popping off. But overall, I felt it was really simple to build it in terms of like, you just cut it off. I didn't sand it down, like I didn't file down the little cut parts of it, but I'll have to do that later. But overall, I thought it was pretty easy. And I do like it. I think they're all that it's pretty cool and everything. And yeah, and I can't wait to build my science lab diorama. All right, tell me what you guys thought about this. Go ahead and leave all your comments in that section down below. If you like this video, go and hit that like button. I won't mind if you mention. Please hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on my next unboxing and build. You guys have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, if you like this, go ahead and check out my main channel at Geek What, link in the description down below. If you want to help support me even more, you can check out my merch store, also in the link down below. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.